Hi echo3D community, Megan here to share with you a new enterprise feature. We just released our 3ds Max plugin. To get started, open your echo3D console, go to DevTools, and select 3ds Max plugin. After downloading, simply drag and drop the echo3D_3ds_max_plugin.mzp file into your 3ds Max viewport. Next, in 3ds Max, navigate to Customize, then go to Customize User Interface. Under the Toolbars tab, locate echo3D Smart Importer in the category dropdown. Drag that action into any existing toolbar at the top of your screen. Then click the newly added button to launch the tool. Once installed, the echo3D plugin will remain available in your toolbar. To connect your project, enter your API key, email, user key, and secret key, if enabled. Then select Load Project. After the project loads, you'll be able to import assets directly from echo3D. Choose the asset you'd like to bring in and click Smart Import. Try it out today for free at echo3d.com.